How to Draw Washington. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be drawing Washington. To begin, we are going to draw a squiggly line near the left side of our page going up and down. This squiggly line is going to have a slight curve to it as well. Awesome job! Now from where we left off, we are going to draw a small diagonal line that is going to be going up and to the right. Then connecting to the top of that line, we are going to draw a squiggly sideways M shape. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw a slightly curved line that is going to connect to that sideways M shape that will be right here. Great job! For the next step, we are going to draw a small line going straight down from the left side of that line that we just finished drawing. Then continuing downwards from that line, we are going to draw a wavy line going downwards that slants just a little bit to the right. Then connecting to that line right below it, we are going to draw a sideways U shape with the curve pointing towards the right. Then we are going to draw one more sideways U shape similar to the one we just drew. Then we will draw a small straight line going downwards from that. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a line going right here that is going to be a little bit curved as we go to the right, and then curve downwards towards the end. Awesome job! Now continuing from where we left off, we are going to draw a squiggly line that's going to go to the right that straightens out towards the end. This is going to go almost towards the right side of our page. Then going upwards from the right side of that line, we are going to draw a small squiggly line. Then finally, we will draw two long straight lines right here and here. This is How to Draw Washington. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.